Let me ask you something that might hit close to home. Have you ever seen someone driving a brand new $70,000 truck while complaining they can't afford to invest right now? Or maybe you've felt the pressure to upgrade your car because everyone around you is driving something newer, bigger, and flashier. Here's the truth nobody wants to admit. Most people aren't driving expensive cars because they're wealthy. They're driving expensive cars instead of becoming wealthy. My name is Dave, and I've spent more than 20 years working inside financial and investment firms. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how the car payment trap destroys your wealth, and how downgrading your vehicle can be one of the smartest financial moves you ever make. Stay until the end. I'll show you the exact math of how much money you could have if you stopped overpaying for your car and invested the difference. The modern car payment disaster. Let's start with reality. The average new car payment today is over $700, $800 a month. For trucks and SUVs, it's very normal to see $1,000, $1,200, even $1,400 per month. And people sign these loans for 6, 7, even 8 years. These aren't luxury buyers. These are teachers, nurses, mechanics, retail workers, office employees, regular people taking on mortgage-level car debt. But here's the trap. Most people don't look at the total cost. They only look at the monthly payment. And that's exactly how dealerships want it. Why this is a wealth killer. Let's run a simple scenario. Someone buys a $55,000 SUV with a 7-year loan. Their payment is about $900 per month. But the real cost is much bigger. Insurance, $200, $250 per month. Fuel, $250, $350 per month. Maintenance, $100, $150 per month. If you add it up, they're spending $1,400 to $1,600 every month just to own and drive that vehicle. Over 7 years, that adds up to over $130,000 for a car that will be worth maybe $15,000 at the end. This isn't transportation. This is financial self-sabotage. The wealth move nobody talks about. Now let's talk about your wealth. Here's something powerful. If you simply downgrade your car, you instantly increase your future net worth. Let's say your current car payment is $1,000 per month. You trade it in and get a reliable used car with a $300 per month payment. Now you have $700 per month freed up. Or even just $300 per month saved. I'll show both. And here's something important most people forget. Downgrading your car doesn't mean suffering. Modern used cars run almost as well as newer cars. Thanks to technological improvements, cars today are extremely reliable and easily run. 150,000, 200,000 miles. So driving a cheaper used car isn't a downgrade in lifestyle. It's a downgrade in payments, not quality of life. If your car payments are almost finished, pause for a second. Don't let a dealership pull you back into another 5-7-year finance contract. Instead, keep your current car another 5-7 years and invest the money you would have sent to the dealership into the S&P 500. That decision alone could be worth tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands over time. Because the truth is, you don't need a new car, you need a new financial strategy. the math that changes everything. Let's use simple S&P 500 investment math with an 8% return. Scenario 1. Save $300 per month by downgrading your car. After 7 years, $32,000, $35,000. After 10 years, at $55,000, $60,000. After 20 years, $180,000, $200,000. Scenario 2. Save $700 per month. Going from a $1,000 payment to a $300 reliable used car. After 7 years, $75,000, $80,000. After 10 years, over $130,000. After 20 years, over $450,000. Let that sink in. A simple decision, keep your used car, can be a $500,000 wealth move. Why this works? Most people say, I want to invest, but I don't have extra money. But the money exists. It's just locked up in a car payment. Your vehicle is not an investment. It's a liability. It drops in value every single day. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 rises in value over time. One destroys wealth, the other builds it. The smartest financial move for most people is drive cheaper, build your wealth. Invest the difference. Let compounding build your future automatically. How to get started investing today. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, I want to invest, but I don't even know where to start. Don't worry, that's exactly why I made this channel. Most people never invest because nobody ever taught them how. But once you understand the basics, it becomes simple, safe, and automatic. That's why I created a full step-by-step beginner guide called How to Invest in the Stock Market Safely and Predictably. In that video, I walk you through everything you need: which accounts to open, TFSA, RRSP, Roth IRA, 401k, brokerage. Which ETFs are the safest for long-term wealth building? How to automate your investments so you grow wealth on autopilot. How to avoid fees and common beginner mistakes. How to start even if you only have $100, $200 per paycheck. And how to build your first simple investing plan with zero confusion. If you've never invested before, this guide will take all the fear and guesswork out of it. If you're already investing, it'll help you optimize your strategy and avoid costly mistakes. At the end of the day, investing isn't complicated. You just need someone to break it down clearly. Step by step. And I've got you. Wealth isn't magic. Wealth is strategy. Here's the truth. You don't need a higher income. You just need better decisions. A cheaper car, a smaller payment, a simple S&P 500 plan, automatic monthly investing. That's how normal people build 6 figures and eventually 7 figures without feeling deprived. Remember, invest safe. Invest simple, stay consistent, and let time make you wealthy.